Baloo, you can't adopt Mowgli as your son.
Why not?
How do I even put this? Baloo, birds of a feather should flock together. You wouldn't marry a panther now, would you?
I don't know. Come to think of it, no panther has ever asked me.
Baloo, you have to be serious about this.
Oh, stop worrying, Baggy. Stop worrying. I'll take care of him.
Yes, like you did when the monkeys kidnapped him, huh?
Can a girl make one mistake?
Not in the jungle. And another thing, sooner or later, Mowgli will meet Shere Khan.
The tiger? What's he got against the kid?
He hates man with a vengeance, you know that. Because he fears man's gun and man's fire.
But little Mowgli don't got those things.
Shere Khan won't wait until he does. He'll get Mowgli while he's young and helpless, with just one swipe.
Oh. Well, what are you gonna do?
We need to do what's best for the boy.
You better believe it. You name it and I'll do it.
Good. Then make Mowgli go to the man village.
Are you out of your mind? I promised him you could stay in the jungle with me.
Well, that's just the point. As long as he's with you, he's always in danger. So it's up to you.
Why me?
Because he won't even listen to me.
I love that kid. I love him like he was my own cub.
Then think what's best for Mowgli and not for yourself.
Well, can't I wait until morning?
It's morning now. Go on, Baloo.